Hey, how you doing? Excellent job. Um, so I want to know how much square meters is this, how much square meters is this, how much is this, how much is this. So all the parts that shows the house. This one, I want to know how much square meter this side is, and then over the bound how much this is. Also, this little razor, how much is it is. And also this one which has a small little thing there. Any check with Google if there's any other building. Oh yeah, this one too. So how much square meter there over the bound and how much this is. Also this. Check on Google if there's any other building that was missed and calculate it. Yeah, and then once we're done with this, then I want to see the best way to make a road. I see this road is more on their land. So I want to maybe find a way, maybe bring this road, bring it this way, then like this. Also indicate the heights of where is it, if it's below the 100-meter line, like show the amount. I think it's somewhere on it. All right, thank you.